Here I've got Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus, and let me show you how to change date and time on the following device. So at first let's open list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Here they are. Now locate General Management and choose it, and then click on Date and Time. And here you can either have an automatic date and time, or you can turn it off by tapping on the switcher. And now you can select time zone. At first you have to pick the region, date, and time manually by yourself. So it's up to you what date and time it currently is. Then also you can change the format of your clock, so you can either use 24-hour format clock, or you can turn it off and have 12-hour format clock. And actually that would be all. This is how you can smoothly, quickly and easily change date and time in your device. Then to go back to automatic setup, just tap on those switchers. And that would be all. This is how you can smoothly and easily change date and time in your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.